If you are looking to send the money to your neighbor or your friends or your family members to the foreign countries from your country, so today I'm going to tell you the name ZendPay. ZendPay is a platform by which you can send your money from your country to the another country very easily and in a just single day. So today you can look it here that for that you have to make the ZendPay account and directly you have to register here, and then you have to look it here that if you want to send money, so you have to click on send money and then you have to choose the country first of all. So if you are going to choose the country, for the example, if you are in India, further if you are in India, or may I can tell you you are in the Japan, so you have to choose in Japan and you have to send the money to the India. So in here I have to choose the India. Then further you can look it here. For this you can directly transfer the amount from one country to another country so easily. So this is a very good application where you can send your money to the another country very smoothly. Now you can look it here. For the example, you are in the Japan, and in Japan you have to send 100 Y Japanese, okay, Japanese currency. So in the in India, what amount actually you are going to receive, that is 651.42. As for other example, I am going to tell you here, if you are going to send the amount from US, means United States, so for that we have to choose the United States here. That is mostly just a US currency, that is mostly dollar. Okay, so you must see here 1 USD rate is automatically showing you here, and $1 is 7,450. Okay, so this amount we are going to receive in our side. So for that you can see transaction fees USD 4.81, pay what you want. So this thing you have to look at here, this is the transfer fee which they are going to take it. And further if you have to proceed it, so you have to click OK, and then it will go directly to another account of ZendPay. Then further he is going to withdraw. uh, what you have to do actually here, you have to link your account, bank account or credit card to this wallet, so directly the money will transfer to your account from the foreign country to this country to our country. So this is a method where you can find easy way to transfer the amount so easily, and you can send the money to your family, neighbors, your friends who are staying in the foreign countries. So hope this everything you have understood very easily. And if you want to join this platform XZendPay, so go in my description, just find the link, and from there you just make your account and start sending money and receiving money from the another countries. So thank you everyone, have a good day, don't forget to subscribe us, like this video, and we continue for the next video. Bye bye, take care.